Now, good morning, class 7. About the exam, first term exam. You know that, I think all of you know that first term exam is going to start, going to commence. Now, in my this class, I will tell you about the first term exam, pattern of first term exam, because for the first time it has changed. Before that, in literature means long questions. In previous year class 6 I used to teach you, and there I gave you long, most of the questions are answers are very long. But here for the first time you have to face the MCQ, that is answers will be given, you have to give a tick mark against the right answer. Okay, the wrong answer you don't have, you give a cross, and then you will get marks. Okay, 5 marks, 2 marks, mostly 2 marks. Okay, now first of all I want to tell you about the syllabus. Class 7, do you know the syllabus? Okay, you have 2 books. Number 1 book is Roots, chapter 1 all about a dog. If you don't have the syllabus, write it now. All about a dog. Chapter 2, my home environment. Chapter 3, Footloose in Agra. Chapter 3, Footloose in Agra. These are the 3 chapters. Now then, New Radiant Readers. Book name New Radiant Readers. Number 1 chapter, a witty answer. Number 2, first spring morning. Number 3, letters from Assam 1. Number 4, letters from Assam 2. Then 5, sheep. Let me repeat it again. New Radiant Readers, chapter 1, a witty answer. Number 2, first spring morning. Number 3, letters from Assam 1. Number 4, letters from Assam 2. 5, sheep. Okay, then a witty answer. I am giving you the example of MCQ. Okay, a witty answer chapter. An example I am giving. This type of question you have to face. Now, a certain nobleman name was. Write it. A certain nobleman's name was. Then A. Curado, Currado, Curado. B. Jack, C. Solomon, D. Richard. So 4A, B, C, D is given. You have to give a tick mark by the side of the correct answer. Okay. So a certain nobleman's name was A. Curado, B. Jack, 3. Solomon, D. Richard. Okay, this is a type of the question. Now then, this is from the New Radiant Readers, a witty answer. Now then, another example I have given. There was a cook of Curado. There was a cook of Curado. A. He was a poor and simple man. B. He was a fat man. C. He was very jealous. D. He was very arrogant. He was very arrogant. Now again I am telling. A. He was a very poor and simple man. B. He was a fat man. C. He was very jealous. D. He was very arrogant. Now, then another example I am giving from Letters from Assam. Letters from Assam. Letters from Assam 1 and 2. You have 1 and 2. Write 1. First of all, 1. Now, this sentence, at first one sentence will be given. Against this A, B, C, D or A, B, C will be given. Now, women and children are engaged in work. Women and children are engaged in work. A. Plucking the leaf. B. Collecting water. B. Collecting water. C. Cleaning the house. D. Gathering the grass. Now again I am telling you, women and children are engaged in work. A. Plucking the leaf. B. Collecting water. C. Cleaning the house. D. Gathering the grass. Then another sentence, men of the estate are the A. Workers. 2. Laborers. C. Teachers. 4. Singers. 4 singers. Now my students, I want to tell you the answer. Now first of all, look at the beginning. A witty answer. A certain nobleman's name was, what will be the answer? Yes, number 1, Curado. Give a tick mark. Curado is the right answer. Now then, there was a cook of Curado. A. He was a poor and simple man. Give a tick mark. This is the right answer. Now letters from Assam. Letters from Assam. Yes, there was a cook of Curado. He was a poor and simple man. Okay, all right. Now, letters from Assam. Number 1, women and children are engaged in work. Number 1, plucking the leaf. Number 2, collecting water. C, cleaning the house. D, gathering the grass. You have to give a tick mark against plucking the leaf. Plucking the leaf. Okay. 2, men of the estate are the workers, laborers, teachers, singers. You have to give a tick mark against workers. Workers. Now, then class 7, all of my students. Another is now roots. Now all of you look at the, letters from Assam 1 I told you. Now letters from Assam 2. After about some hours, the leaf was withheld. The leaf was withheld. A for 18 hours, B for 10 hours, C for 6 hours, D for 5 hours. You have to give a tick mark in against by the side of 18 hours, for 18 hours. Now, 2, in London, the world's largest tea market is A, Target, B, Mickey House, C, Mincing Lane, D, Whitecap. Give a tick mark, right mark, by the side of Mincing Lane. Mincing Lane. You may get meaning also. Meaning plucked, P-L-U-C-K-E-D, plucked. Remove strong white wig, A-B-C-D is given. You have to give a tick mark by the side of remove. By the side of remove. Now, these are the questions, okay, I am giving you. Now, roots, footloose in Agra. Footloose in Agra. The cycle rickshaw is the best way. The cycle rickshaw is the best way, A, of getting about Agra, B, of getting about Delhi, C, of getting about Kanpur, D, of getting about Hyderabad. You have to give a tick mark by the side of getting about Agra, of getting about Agra. Now, all of my students, is it clear to you? Okay, today I will not start another new chapter. All of you go through it. This is the pattern of question you have to face, okay? No big question answer, only this type of the MCQ, okay? You have to give a tick mark, right mark by the side of the correct answer, okay? Thank you. Wish you all the best for your forthcoming exam. Thank you very much, okay? See you in my next class. I will start a new chapter, okay? Thank you.